YouTube, what is YouTube? Welcome back to another banger video, guys. As you guys seen by the last video, I just dropped off. It was my first time driving a rooftop trailer, however they say it. First time, never even, I don't even know what was in there. I think it was like sawdust or some shit, I don't know. But yeah, so we're picking up another trailer. We're picking up trailer 5419. So I don't have any trailer with me right now. I'm bobtailing, so I gotta drive around the lot and find the trailer 5419. Gotta go down a little bit. So let's go. It's empty trailer. I'm picking up an empty trailer. So 5419. So let's get it. 5419, 5419, 5419. I'm so bad at looking for the trailers. I feel like I'd be blind. Like I can't see nothing. Like it's not I can't see. It's just I be driving right by it and I'm like I don't be seeing it. Like I don't know what the fuck. 5419. So y'all come with me. Y'all see if y'all can find it. Help me find this motherfucker. This motherfucking trailer, man. This is 4856. We're looking for 5419. 5419. 5419. That boy got 5589. 5419. The fuck? 5419. 5419. What? Let's see. I'm tweaking, bro. I know what the trailer shit, bro. I think it's over there. One of those. Calm down, buddy. 5419. I scratched myself, but that shit low-key hurt. Is that 5419? I don't see it. 5419. This is why I hate finding trailers. That shit get on my nerve, bro. I think this is 5419. 54. I think that is 5419 right here, y'all. Yep, 5419 if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure though. Let me make sure. Yep, this is 5419, guys. This bogus ass trailer car. Yeah. Bogus as hell, cuz. Alright, let's just back that baby in there, guys. That's all there is to do now. Just back that baby in there. Let's back her up in there. Back her up. Back her up in there. I'll be tweaking sometimes. Now we do the pull test. Okay, and we're right in there, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. Just like that, baby. I'm gonna make sure that I wanna make sure that's the right trailer. Again. Pick up MT trailer 5419. Yep. Alright, let's go hook up and what I'm about to do is I'm going to Minnesota, so yeah, I'm going to Minnesota, so I'm gonna head to Quick Trip and I'm gonna edit and post some videos, make some food, record some videos, chill for a little bit, and then head back to Minnesota. I'm gonna head to Minnesota probably around like 3 p.m. or probably later, bro, because Minnesota gonna have hella traffic, bro. Like, because it says I have to be there tomorrow at 8 in the morning, so I have all day to be there, so let me see. I'll see y'all. Maybe I might try to head there today, probably get an earlier pickup, and then so I can probably be there today and then drop off tomorrow. The more you run, the more money you make. So I gotta see it, depending on how I feel. But if I don't feel like driving, I ain't gonna be driving. But I ain't trying to be lazy, y'all. But I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get the rhythm and everything. I don't wanna. And I'm trying to really edit and post some videos, trying to get all that done. I'm trying to like empty the vault out today, honestly. So yeah, I'll see how I feel. Let's go. I always keep my hazards on when I back up or when I'm picking up a trailer, because like, first it's always good to do that. Second, like, I can always check if the trailer is not good, you know what I'm saying? Like, the trailer lights are not working and stuff like that. So I always keep it on. Make sure everything is good. I like when they do this. They put a sticker or they write down like, this is up, this is down. I like that. Lets you know where to go and what to do. pre-trip. Make sure everything is Gucci. Gucci like some coochie, you know? If it ain't Gucci like some coochie, you tricky, you tweaking. I thought somebody's right there. I was gonna karate kick the air, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? I don't play like that. Stop playing with a nigga. Stop playing with me, Jet. Real talk. When I was like driving over here, I felt a little bit sleepy. So I'm I don't even know how many hours I gotta check my logbook. I don't even know how many hours I got left. So I'll probably shut down for a little bit and then get back on the road later today. So start a quick trip right quick because I don't like being in front of all these people, bro. Especially in front of no coworker, bro. I can't see shit, literally. Alright, just like that, y'all. I just want to make something to eat, y'all. I'm finna just make me something to eat, chill for a little bit, and chill for a little bit, make me something to eat, and make some videos, edit some videos, post some videos, and I'm up and out, bro. If I'm tired, I'm gonna probably take me a quick little hour nap, and I'm out, bro. If I get stuck in traffic, so what, bro? If I get there, I'm probably gonna get there, and then they're gonna be closing. I have to wait tomorrow anyways, but it really don't matter. But I just want to get my hours in. Let me see how many hours, or my miles in, honestly. I ain't getting paid by the hours. Otherwise I'd be rich as fuck if I was getting paid by the miles. I mean by the hours. Got 4 hours until break. Well, I got 7 hours of drive time. If I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure Quick Trip was right here. I got enough drive time, so I think I'm good, y'all. I'm going. Pickup location is like 4 hours away. 4.5 hours away. Some bullshit like that. Is this where the diesel goes? Goes, I don't know. Hopefully it is. Diesel entrance. I don't know. I'm not. What the fuck? Who the fuck gonna be making this? Yo, should I fill up here? Yeah, I should fill up here too. Because so that way I'm fully loaded, I'm filled up, I'm drilled up, I'm gilled up, you know? So fuck it. Let's just fill up right here, y'all. Cause I'm about to be on E anyways. Boom. So I gotta take a picture of the odometer, because I'm gonna swipe my card. They be telling me, they be asking me like, what is the odometer? Shit. What is the odometer? So yeah, I'm gonna go up in there. I'm gonna pay. I'm gonna come back out. I'm gonna grab y'all, and I'm gonna do my due diligence. I'm gonna clean the little mirrors and stuff. I'm gonna clean the mirrors, and I'm gonna clean the windshield. I'm gonna clean the windshield, and I'm gonna fill up, y'all. So give me a second.